Hello, I'm M. I have Catperson flip world record average. I'm the only sub 7 user with a sub 6 average. So what is Catperson flip? Catperson flip is a 2 letters memorized 7 simul method with a flip in the middle of it and 2D moves. The pin order is for the first 2 levels of 7 simul. It's this, 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 x2, this. For the final level, it's the same thing, so this, but then you do this, and then you flip over that, and then that. So, the first level of Catperson flip is the most basic level. It's taught by bpaul, and you should use it if you really are lazy. I think only me uses the second level, and nobody uses the final level. Not because it's bad, it's just because nobody does Catperson flip. So this is the side we're going to start execution on. I'll have the scramble either on screen or in the description. And this is the side we need to memo from only for the first level. Our first letter of memo is this to here, which is -3. And our second letter of memo is this to here, which is -1. I wouldn't memo these in a pair. You can if you want to, but I wouldn't. Convert to letters. For me, that's K and I. I use a weird letter scheme, so that's probably not the same as other people's. So the first level, execution, pin order, match this to here intuitively, and do your first memorized move, which is K, or -3. Then you make a 2x2 block here, just intuitively, so use your right hand to do that move, and left hand to do that move. Here you do your second memorized move with -1, and you match this to here. And then you make a slash block here, just intuitively. And then you flip, and you make a 2x2 block here. And then you switch the pins, make a slash block, and then you align it into 12. And your clock is solved. I went through that very quickly. bpaul has their own version, which is more in depth. Our second level of Catperson flip has the only sub 7 average with a 5.7 something average, and it's 4 letters memorized, but you memorize this move and this move, both of the dials. So our first letter of memo is this to here, which is 4, so for me that's D. And then your second letter of memo is the same, so this to here, which is -3. And then you flip back. You can do your fourth letter here if you want. I flip back and I do this to here, which is -1. Sorry, this to here, which is -1, and then I add that to U to C. So -1 plus 6 is 5. For me, that's E. And then this to here is -1. So my memo for this would be 4 -3, -1, 5. So we do our first 2 letters of memo, so 4 -3. Make a block intuitively. I would look ahead to this in inspection if you can. And then 5 -1. Oh, sorry, I messed up the 5. But yeah, you have pairs now, which is easier for my brain. And then you flip over and you have the exact same stages again. And it's solved. This has not been covered by any other tutorial on YouTube. Please leave a comment if this is weird or you don't understand something. I would be happy to help. Our final level of memo is something that nobody uses because, okay, the first 5 letters are fine. The last letter is hell, and I haven't simplified it. If you really want to learn this method, you're gonna have to simplify it yourself. I'm really sorry. So our first 4 is the same. Again, this to here, which is 4, which is D. This to here, which is -3. K, for me, I used, again, weird letter scheme. D to L, which is -1, plus U to C6, that would be -5. And then flip back, -1, this to here. Now, our next bit of memo is U to C, which is +2, so for me that's B. And then, you don't flip back, you do, you can flip back, because that's what it's showing you. You do this, you do this memo, which is insane and unsimplified. You can go wild with it, but for this scramble, it's gonna end up as 1, which is A. So, you go through 4 minus 3, make the 202, 5 minus 1, make a block. Now, M5 and M6 are going to be done like this. Instead of flipping over, you do 2, which is your M5 move, and 1, which is your M6 move. Then you flip over, you've saved a D move, and you have your block. Make a slash block and align everything to 12. Awesome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or DM me on Discord or come to my house or something. Just tell me and I will try to help. No guarantees. Sorry for not explaining the last bit of memo very clearly. I will have stuff in the description, just going through the method with a reconstructed example, reconstructed version of this scramble with hopefully all 3 if I can fit it in. Anyway, that's enough of clock. Turn back the clock, please. Please. Save clock, guys. Save clock.